When precision and versatility matter, having the right polishing accessories can completely change the outcome of your projects. These multi-purpose polishing pads are designed to help you achieve smooth, refined finishes across a wide range of materials while keeping your workflow simple and efficient. Whether you are restoring, cleaning, or finishing, they offer reliable performance that makes detailed work easier and more controlled. Built for long life, these polishing pads are suitable for repeated use in both dry and wet applications. Their durable construction allows them to maintain effectiveness over time, making them a practical choice for hobbyists, DIY users, and anyone who regularly works with a rotary tool. From light polishing to final finishing, they support consistent results without frequent replacement. Ease of use is a key advantage. The pads are designed for easy accessory installation and removal, allowing you to switch tasks quickly without interrupting your momentum. This convenience is especially useful when moving between different surfaces or polishing stages, helping you stay focused on the quality of your work rather than tool setup. Versatility sets these pads apart. They can be used on metals, leather, and natural stone, making them suitable for a wide variety of projects around the home, workshop, or garage. Whether you are polishing metal components, refreshing leather surfaces, or refining stone details, these pads adapt to the task while delivering smooth, controlled results. Designed to work effectively with polishing compounds or on their own depending on the application, they give you flexibility to approach each project your way. Their balanced performance makes them a dependable accessory for detailed finishing work where accuracy and surface care are important. If you want to get more value and capability out of your rotary tool, these multi-purpose polishing pads are a smart addition to your kit. Click the product link in the video description to learn more and check current availability. Subscribe to the channel for more practical tools, accessories, and reviews to help you take on projects with confidence.